With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Four cards are successfully drawn without replacement. Okay, so it is given without replacement. We are drawing the 4 cards from a deck of 52 playing cards. So we are asked what is the probability that all the 4 cards are king. Okay, so first of all, let us assume that K1 is an event of drawing a single king card. Okay, so K1 will be the event of drawing first king card. Okay, so probability of K1 would be number of favorable events, that is there are 4 number of king cards out of 52 deck of cards. Okay, so from here number of favorable events would be 4 and the total number of events would be 52 since there are 52 number of cards. Okay, so from here we get P of K1 equals to 4 by 52. Okay, now if we talk about K2 be, let K2 be second king card drawn. Okay, so probability of K2 would be number of favorable cases, and now the number of favorable cases left for the king would be 3 because out of 4 king cards we have already drawn a card. Okay, so from here we get 3 and the total number of total number of sample space would be 52 minus 1, so that would be 51. So from here we get the value of P of K2. Okay, so now if we talk about K3 is the third king card. Okay, so now if we talk about the probability of K3 would be 4 minus 2 because we have already drawn 2 king cards and we are left with 2 king cards. Okay, so it would be 2 upon 52 minus 2, so we are left with 2 cards are already drawn, so total number of cards remaining are 50. Okay, so we get 2 upon 50. Okay, now if we talk about K4, okay, K4 is the fourth king card drawn. Okay, so if we talk about the probability of K4, it would be probability of K4 would be we are left with a single card. Okay, so it would be 1 upon 49. Okay, now we talk about the probability that all 4 cards are king. Okay, so it would be, so probability that all 4 cards are king. Okay, so from here we need to do the multiplications of all the values P of K1 into P of K2 into P of K3 into P of K4. Okay, and we have find out the values of each and every one. Okay, so from here we get P of K1, the value of P of K1 is 4 by 52, K2 is 3 by 51, K3 is 2 by 50, and the value of P of K4 is 1 by 49. So final answer comes out to be, if we simplify it, we get 1 upon 270,725. So this is the final answer. So the probability that all the 4 cards are king, so answer would be 1 upon 270,725.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.